Alright, so in this video we're talking about digital products and how you can use them to be able to work from home and make a living. Many people don't understand that you can, in fact, make a variety of digital products and sell them and make a living. Now, you're probably going, what do you mean by digital products? Digital products really doesn't tell me what I'm making, what I'm selling, anything like that. Well, digital products can be just about anything digital. It could be a checklist. It can be a ebook. It could be music. It could be photographs, videos, watermarks, overlays, templates, guides on how to do things. There is a multitude of different things in digital format that you can create and sell and make a profit. You create it once and you just continue to sell it. An example would be if you go to StreamerTemplates.com. You will see a lot of different digital products such as STREAMYARD overlays and YouTube subscribe buttons, lower thirds, or if you were to go, for instance, to like Nerd or Die, and they have live streaming packs. It could be a transition like this one. Or it could be a quick overlay picture with a lower third, like a banner on the bottom, such as this. Or it could be a video overlay, kind of like the subscribe button right here that you're seeing. That is a digital product. Now, is it an expensive thing? No. You can charge anywhere from 99 cents up to $10, $20, $30, whatever it is, depending on the product. It could be a PDF guide that's only 2 or 3 pages long. That PDF guide could be 10 pages long. There is all kinds of different digital products that you can create and sell. Now, how do you sell them? You can list them on social media, such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and have them linked to a PayPal account. You can go to Etsy and have them there. You can go and have them sold on Shopify. There is a multitude of places out there that allow you to sell digital products. Another option is your own website. Now, hopefully this gives you an idea of an opportunity that many people don't consider that is fairly simple to be able to make money on a recurring basis from home. If you have any questions, by all means, please feel free to drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next episode.